Just a message before starting the video, I would really love if you could subscribe right now to the channel, okay? So hit the subscribe button and let's move on. This is me checking our website backlog back in 2015 at Evolutionary in Brazil. And this is how this story begins. A UX designer checking a backlog. Hello everyone! In this episode, I will share a real problem our telesales department was having in the website and how we took the most simple hypothesis possible instead of going feature crazy, postponing the solution of the problem. So let's continue. Since 2013, we had released several features on the website. Numbers were great. Audience growing, web importance growing, satisfaction growing, but telesales service weren't that satisfied. As we deployed new successful features, we kept receiving mails and mails each week complaining about the lack of visibility on one particular information in the product page, the product code. And I failed finding something related to that on our backlog because we haven't had understood the problem yet. So it wasn't a priority so far. I took the time and made my way to the customer service office and started listening to customers on the phone. I was intrigued and willing to understand why this wasn't on our radar, even if it appeared to be such a huge problem. And again, context was knocking our doors. It turns out that in that context, the product code was the most important information because without that, telesales couldn't continue the service. It was counterintuitive to explain customers how to navigate on the website when all they wanted was buy the right product without having to master our website. The outcome, telesales losing sales, customer losing time, and both losing energy. Went back to my desk, called out the PO, told about the problem, and together we started thinking on possible hypotheses, which is way easier when you clearly understand the problem. We believed we could reduce lost sales on the phone if customers calling telesales service attempt to find products code information instantly with the feature that we should still discover. After 1 hour sketching and discussing, we had only crazy assumptions that could cost us a lot of time to deliver, like a special voice recognition system on the website that detects when customers are with telesales on the phone, until probably less complex but equally useless features like having a fixed tab on the bottom of the website with a call to action on the phone with us, click here, would be a cannon shot. We could do better, so we call it a day. The problem kept on my mind though, and by night, while I was playing some StarCraft 2, which in a nutshell is a strategy game where taking actions faster than your opponent is a huge advantage, and the keyboard shortcuts are the one important way to achieve that. So I thought, what if we create some keyboard shortcut for customers in a way that when they are pressing a specific key, product code would transform into a hero element impossible to be missed. Next day, present the idea to our product owner, and together we figure out the last detail. By the afternoon, the feature was released. Telesales team were so delighted that for the next 2 days, we kept receiving thank you messages on our email. That's one of the features still live on the website. I'll leave a link here in the description so you can see it. And that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this format, and well, see you next week. Okay?